How to unlike all photos on Instagram at once. Over the time you've happened to like many photos and videos, and if you want to unlike them all at once, all you have to do is simply open up the Instagram application and make sure to sign into your account. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner, then tap on the three lines option located at the top right hand corner. From here you will find an option that says Your Activity, so simply go to Your Activity and under Interactions just select the option called Likes. Now right here you'll see all the posts, videos and everything that you've liked previously, and if you want to unlike them, just tap on the Select option located at the top right hand corner and select the photos and videos that you would like to unlike over here, right? And once you select all the photos and videos you want to unlike, from the bottom of the screen you will find the unlike button. So once you tap on it, all the photos and videos that you selected will get unliked. This way you will be able to unlike all photos on Instagram at once. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.